Facebook, one of the world's most popular social media platforms, has recently made headlines for agreeing to pay a massive $275 million settlement in a lawsuit. If you're a Facebook user, this is a piece of news that shouldn't be overlooked, as you might be entitled to receive a portion of this substantial payout. In this article, we will guide you through the simple steps you need to follow to claim your share of the settlement. So if you're on Facebook, it's time to pay attention because you could be leaving money on the table. Subscribe, press like, and share. Your support means the world to us. By subscribing, you'll never miss our exciting content. Liking our videos encourages us to keep creating awesome stuff for you. And sharing our channel helps us reach more people. Together, let's make this journey memorable. So without further ado, let's jump into the fun. Before we delve into the steps of claiming your share, let's first understand what led to this massive settlement. In recent years, Facebook has faced several legal challenges regarding its handling of user data, privacy concerns, and various alleged violations. These lawsuits culminated in a class action lawsuit, where Facebook agreed to settle for a whopping $275 million. The settlement is indeed to compensate affected Facebook users who might have had their personal information mishandled or compromised during specific periods of time. This means that if you were a Facebook user during those times, you could be eligible to receive a portion of the settlement money. To claim your share of the $275 million payout, you need to take action promptly. The first step is to head over to Facebook's official website and look for the settlement claim form. Typically, you can find this form on a dedicated page or in the legal section of the website. Once you locate the claim form, it's crucial to fill it out accurately and completely. Provide your full name, contact information, and any relevant account details associated with your Facebook account during the specific periods mentioned in the settlement terms. Double-check all the information you entered to ensure accuracy, as any mistakes might delay or jeopardize your claim. After completing the claim form, submit it according to the instructions provided on the website. In most cases, you will be required to click a Submit button to finalize your claim. Once submitted, you will likely receive a confirmation email acknowledging that your claim has been received. Now that you've submitted your claim, it's time to let the process take its course. Facebook will review your claim along with all the other claims from eligible users to determine their validity. This verification process may take some time, depending on the number of claims received. It's important to note that Facebook will verify the information you've provided in the claim form. Therefore, make sure that the information matches the account details associated with your Facebook profile during the specified periods in the settlement. Any discrepancies might lead to your claim being rejected. To be eligible for a share of the settlement, you must meet specific eligibility criteria, which are usually outlined on the settlement terms. Typically, these criteria include 1. Being a Facebook user during the specified periods mentioned in the settlement. 2. Being a resident of a particular country or region, as some settlements may be limited to certain jurisdictions. 3. Having experienced specific harm or damages related to the issues raised in the lawsuit. Make sure to carefully read and understand the eligibility criteria before submitting your claim. If you believe you meet the requirements, don't hesitate to proceed with your claim. Settlement claims often have deadlines, and it's essential to act swiftly to ensure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Missing the deadline might mean forfeiting your right to claim any compensation from the settlement. To stay informed about the deadline, you can visit Facebook's website regularly or subscribe to their official communication channels. Additionally, keep an eye out for news updates and legal notices that may provide further information about the settlement and the claim process. If you're a Facebook user, there's a chance that you might be entitled to a share of the $275 million settlement the company recently agreed to pay. By following the simple steps outlined in this article, you can potentially claim your piece of the payout. Remember to act fast, fill out the claim form accurately, and ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. While Facebook's settlement is a significant step towards addressing user concerns, it also serves as a reminder of the importance of data privacy and security on social media platforms. As a user, it's essential to remain vigilant about the information you share online and stay informed about any potential risks associated with using these platforms. Keep an eye on updates from Facebook and other reliable sources to ensure you don't miss any opportunities to protect your rights and interests in the digital landscape. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, you can make the most of your online experience while safeguarding your privacy and security. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Share this video with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and feel free to check out more of our content because we're all about putting money in your pocket and saving you some time.